Hi everyone, it's Brett from Jim's Pool Care, and today we're going to give you some hints and tips on how to look after your pool in winter. 1. We always test the water. Before doing anything, we make sure that the pool is balanced and ready to go. 2. We want to start to adjust timers. We reduce them from the standard running time of around 8 hours, down to 6 hours, down to 4 hours in the middle of the winter if no one is using the pool. The chlorine demand won't be there, so it won't have to run as long. 3. We clean filters. That includes a cartridge filter or sand filter. 4. We want to make sure we clean our baskets. That includes your skimmer basket and pump basket to make sure it's clear of any debris. 5. If you own a pool cover, it's time to put the pool cover on. That doesn't mean you set and forget. With a pool cover, you still need to regularly check underneath that cover to make sure that your pool is in reasonable condition. And we definitely, with a pool cover, encourage you to test the water regularly. And last of all, owning a pool is an all-round year job. So don't lay your pool to rest during winter and forget about it. Regularly check it and regularly test it. And remember, if you need a hand with your pool, our Jim's Pool Care team are happy to help. Just give us a call on 131 546 or visit our website www.jimspoolcare.com.au. All the best for looking after your pool for winter.